cupboard for a painkiller. I need another painkiller.
A few moments later.
2, 1, via!
And we say bye bye. I'm reaching in my cupboard for a painkiller.